Welcome to JH. Let's talk about marlenespetshop.com, an online store promising a feline wonderland of kitty curls and flappy Perrys. It sounds like a cat's dream, or at least a very confused marketing department's dream. They claim to sell everything from cozy tunnels to accessories meant to keep your furry friends active, but before you hand over your credit card, we need to ask, is this place actually legit, or is it just a digital litter box? First, let's look at the reviews on their own website. They are absolutely glowing, practically radioactive. People were apparently raving about their purchases in February and March of 2024. There's just one tiny, microscopic problem. The website's domain wasn't even registered until May 2024. I guess they've mastered time travel along with pet supplies, which is a bold business pivot for any small retailer. When you step outside their curated bubble and check Trustpilot or Reddit, the vibe shifts from catnip heaven to total disaster. They're sitting at a cozy 2.2-star rating, and most of those reviews are far from friendly. Customers are complaining about shipping speeds that make a snail look like an Olympic sprinter, products that arrive looking like they were shrunk in a high-heat dryer, and customer service that is essentially a ghost town. Apparently, some toys broke instantly, while others failed to interest cats who usually find a crumpled receipt fascinating. But wait, it gets better. The site proudly claims they've been trusted by pet parents since 2009. Again, the website didn't exist until 5 minutes ago in May 2024. Maybe they were selling cat toys via carrier pigeon for the first 15 years? It's a classic case of alternative facts that should make any shopper nervous. Then there's the total lack of transparency. There is no About Us page, no founder info, and no background on who is actually taking your money. It's as if the store was birthed by a mysterious algorithm in a dark basement. They also claim their Kitty Curls toy was voted #1 in 2024. Voted by whom? The owner's imaginary friends? There are no links, no awards, and zero proof to back up the hype. Here's the bottom line. Marlene's Pet Shop is waving more red flags than a parade. Between the fake history, the time-traveling reviews, and the dismal quality reports, you're better off buying a cardboard box from the grocery store. At least your cat will actually like that. My advice is to be extremely careful and stick to trusted marketplaces with actual reputations. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this with your fellow cat servants, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.